Uyama is proud to introduce the Bliant, our blister card filling robot capable of supporting multi-dose, single-dose, and manual formats. With Uyama's commitment to the creation of innovative technology, the Bliant retains our signature characteristics of being compact, easy to maintain, and versatile. Built to seamlessly integrate into a pharmacy's workflow, it is the perfect investment for enhancing the workflow of any pharmacy utilizing manual fill operations. Let's take a look at some of the Bliant's features. The first feature is canisters. The Bliant can hold 88 canisters, and the canisters come in both large and small sizes. Depending on a drug's usage frequency, the Bliant can register an additional 520 canisters in its software, which makes it more adaptable to users' formularies and is ideal for quick swaps. The Bliant is capable of processing multi-dose, single-dose, and manual fills. With its easy-to-follow on-screen instructions and efficient workflow design, the device is made to add value to a pharmacy's operation without adding significant time to the existing process. Simply select the prescription, place the tray with the insert, and the Bliant will begin the dispense operation. For manual fills, start by scanning the medication's barcode. Then, place the medication onto the corresponding locations in the right-hand holding area. Once complete, use the nearby controller to unlock the right-hand drawer chutes and release the medication into the blister insert. For added accuracy and security, the drawer remains locked until the prescription is scanned on the barcode reader. Furthermore, the Bliant enables the user to dispense single-dose card. Uyama's latest innovations allow both functions in a single device. Thanks to the device's output method, the final visual inspection can be conducted prior to sealing. To seal, simply line the prescription backing with the insert's notches, then remove the backing to reveal the adhesive. Additionally, there are several workflow shortcuts to increase output. The Bliant's trays can be placed in the receiver drawer as soon as the filling process begins, allowing users to preset for the next prescription. Furthermore, trays sent to the right-hand output drawer can be immediately reused if the plastic insert is removed from the tray by itself. In this way, prescription processing is near continuous and downtime is minimized. For added versatility, Uyama has designed the Bliant to accommodate various types of blister packs to adapt to your specific needs. The seals and writing are also fully customizable, allowing users to vary the format and colors based on customers' requirements. The final feature is the maintenance. The Bliant is specifically designed for simplified access and minimizing maintenance downtime. Components are easily detached and lead directly to the medication path, making the process of maintenance straightforward and quick. As optional accessories, Uyama offers a PC arm table to further maximize the workflow by keeping everything in arm's reach. The Bliant can also be customized with a medication curtain, which provides additional shielding for your medications against UV rays. The Bliant by Uyama. Compact, easy to maintain, versatile.